It's a great, big, beautiful day, and today we are at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. We're actually going to ride some rides, maybe go on the Sand Serpent since it closes on July 9th. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell to get any updates that we bring you on any Central Florida theme parks and attractions. Let's get riding. First roller coaster we're going to give a try out today, Cheetah Hunt over in the Egypt area. Looks like a lot of fun. So after a bit of a wait, we are ready to get on to Cheetah Hunt. You ready? Woo! Ready, Ethan?
Yeah.
Ready, Lorelai?
I have no idea.
Well, at least three of the four of us are ready. Look at that view. That's so pretty.
This is awesome.
So Lorelai made it. How you feeling? She's good. Anthony, how's it going? All right. One thing I didn't say, this is my first time on Cheetah Hunt. But that was awesome. Let us know what you think in the comments. Have you been on this ride? Also, don't forget to like this video if you liked our trip so far. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, ring that bell so you get more updates on our great trips, our great roller coaster rides, and any information we provide you. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little view there of Cheetah Hunt. We were in the second row, so maybe not exactly the best view, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it anyway. As I said, it was my first time on the ride, really enjoyed it. Hopefully next time we'll get a first-person view in the front row for you. But other than that, let's go ahead and see what's up next. So Anthony and I are gonna head on to Montu, gonna give you a point of view of that, hopefully with our GoPro. It's coming right up now. All right, Anthony and I are about to get on to Montu. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're gonna give you an awesome first-person view of this roller coaster here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. We're in the front row, and our train has arrived.
Go.
Let's do this.
Goodbye.
Ready, Anthony?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Do this.
Woo! Let's do it.
Woo!
expansive. That didn't really turn out. It looks like the camera was not liking the G-forces very much. But that, ladies and gentlemen, was Montu. What up, Anthony? Woo! So as you just saw, we got off Montu, Anthony and I. How was that?
Woo! Yeah!
Of course, hopefully that footage turned out okay. The GoPro didn't really like the G-forces because there are some serious G-forces in that.
It is really rewarding to just get that one-on-one time and that undivided attention out here with those trainers. And we can also use environmental reinforcers, which is kind of what we're doing right now. It's a nice hot day. So maybe she doesn't want to hang out in the sun. She wants to hang out in a nice shady spot, and that can be really rewarding as well. So that's actually what she is doing right now. So lots of ways we can let her know that she's done a fantastic job. I think she did a great job here today. What do you guys think? Was it pretty cool to see Chi run? Yeah! Awesome! That is exactly what we want to hear, because hopefully that means you've made a connection with Chi and cheetahs like herself, because cheetahs out in Africa really do need our help. They're a vulnerable species with less than 7,000 individuals left on the planet. So to give you guys an idea, there's usually more guests walking through our park every single day than there are cheetahs left in the world. But you guys being here, taking the time out of your day to learn more about cheetahs and fall in love with them, and sharing that love and knowledge with your friends and family, you're doing more for the species than you could possibly understand. So we thank you guys for spending time with us here today. If you didn't get a chance to see Chi run, don't worry, we have another presentation at 2 o'clock. So make sure to stop back by and visit us again then. But for the rest of you guys, enjoy the rest of your day here at the park. Bye everyone.
As a huge animal lover myself, I think it's really cool that they do a cheetah run here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. Unfortunately, we did miss the beginning of it, so we didn't get to see the cheetah run, but we did see at the end their presentation from one of the keepers. But they do hold it a couple times a day, so maybe we'll try to get it a little bit later. But if you do enjoy your animals, it's a great thing to see. Time to go on Sand Serpent. Unfortunately, the ride closes on July 9th, but we're gonna give it one last try before it closes in a way to say goodbye. So we are here at Sand Serpent about to get on. This will be fun. We got our friends Anthony and Ethan riding. Woo! Yeah. And Lorelai. This will be fun. Let's go. And the mouse car is here.
Watch your step as you enter the tunnel.
Ready?
Leaving Sand Serpent.
Anthony, you got your glasses okay? It's fine.
Welcome to the Sand
There we go. Oh my goodness.
The first time I rode that
And now it's time to say goodbye to Sand Serpent. And I'm not going to go into a Mickey Mouse song, but you know, that's usually what follows.
Say goodbye. Say
Was that fun, guys? All right.
We're gonna fit anymore.
I have no idea what Lorelai is singing, but that's okay.
Say goodbye.
We'll see you on the next ride. So as I mentioned, Sand Serpent does close on July 9th. So if you do see this and you have a chance to get on it before then, definitely worth giving a ride. It is a mouse car type of roller coaster, so not for everybody. I'm not a huge fan of them, but I wanted to at least ride it for you guys. But we're gonna head off to another ride and show you that point of view. So a great thing about Busch Gardens is yes, it does have thrill rides, but it also has rides for kids of all ages, including a carousel. We're gonna ride it because why not? We're enjoying a day here at Busch Gardens and we might as well. So one of the biggest questions when riding on a carousel is which horse to ride? Today, we got this beauty. Ta-da!
Daddy, you've got Flower.
What?
I name all the horses and the animals.
Oh, so what's the name of this horse?
Flower.
Flower. Okay, so I have Flower.
Flower and Sunshine.
Okay. How about Sunshine Flower?
Sunflower.
Sunflower. There we go, Sunflower. Here we go.
I told you that. Yeah.
Another beautiful thing is that on a hot day like today, we're getting a little bit of wind, cooling us off. We're in the shade. Gotta love it. Oh no, the ride is over. So sad. So friends, we are going to call it the day, but if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you see that link in the upper right hand corner. We've got some other stuff from our SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment friends at SeaWorld as well as Adventure Island. We'd love you to check that out. We'll also put a link in the comments and the description. But in the meantime, also, if you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you can get updates on any other theme parks fun we decide to have. As always, I do hope you have a great, big, beautiful day, and we'll see you real soon.